Millions believed Elvis did it. But did Michael Jackson really do it? Fake his death. Alive. Is Michael Jackson really dead? Investigative journalist Pearl Jr. uncovered the facts in the 2005 trial. Now she's uncovered the most shocking true story of our lifetime. Alive. Is Michael Jackson really dead? This promises to blow your mind. Elbow Grease Productions, in association with MichaelJacksonInsider.com, presents Hi, this is Pearl Jr. for MichaelJacksonInsider.com, bringing you my notes, my commentary, my ideas for week 3 in the People versus Dr. Conrad Murray involuntary manslaughter trial of Michael Jackson. Now, last week, oh my goodness, we saw the nude autopsy photo of Michael Jackson. Now, we've talked about the discrepancy in which the court acknowledged the 8/25/2009 when the picture was supposedly taken on 6/25/2009, the supposed date of the death of Michael Jackson. We have been warned. In July, I guess in response to that "See you in July 2011" signature that Michael Jackson wrote, on July 25th, there was the press conference about the tribute concert held in Cardiff, Wales. And as you believers know, the biggest thing to come out of that announcement was Cardiff is also the name of a place where there was a fake body that many believed that was real, that happened in the 1860s, and it was so famous that the greatest showman on earth, P.T. Barnum, who Michael Jackson loved, he copied this. And we learned that on October 8th, right in the middle of the trial, that there would be the tribute concert. Was that a warning to tell us that the body, the autopsy picture, is not real? Also, we match it up with October 8th with Elvis, the big Elvis tribute in 1994. Now, we go ahead and correlate that with the slurred speech, the whole entire slurred, drug-sounding speech that Michael Jackson gave to Dr. Conrad Murray, in which he starts out by saying, what neither one of them did. Elvis didn't come back in his death hoax, and Paul McCartney, well, he never made a big comeback like "I'm back" in the Paul is dead death hoax. So is that what Michael Jackson is telling us? So I learned that Michael did perform in Cardiff in 1988, guess what? On July 26th, which is the date after the big announcement of the Michael Forever tribute. Now with the Michael Forever tribute, no matter how many fans protested, no matter how much bad press, no matter if Jermaine and Janet and Randy protested and boycotted that tribute, it happened. Is that a sign for us believers to be strong despite adversity? Keep believing in all the clues no matter what. I went back and I reviewed the autopsy. Remember this from Alive, is Michael Jackson really dead? There are a few really obvious weird things that are in this autopsy. The autopsy says there's a bandage on his nose. I thought an autopsy is, you're not supposed to have anything but the body when you examine the nose. How come they just didn't take off the bandage? Now, why on either one of these pictures is there no bandage on the nose and no gauze on the nose? Well, I'm here to tell you something in the milk just ain't clean. Well, this is Pearl Jr. for MichaelJacksonInsider.com, and I will see you next time. Thousands believed Tupac did it. Millions believed Elvis did it. But did Michael Jackson really do it? E-movie book, Pseudocide, Did Michael Jackson Fake His Death to Save His Life? By author Pearl Jr. It's the most shocking true story of our lifetime. Order yours today. Go to MichaelJacksonPseudocide.com. That's MichaelJacksonPseudocide.com.